Hello everyone, this is AV of avdoeswhat.com, the DIY and lifestyle blog. Two things. If you haven't noticed, I work with my hands a lot. Also, if you haven't noticed, my hands are on camera a lot. Side eye if you haven't noticed. Haven't you noticed? This lifestyle has put me and my budget in a constant tug of war. But I was introduced to imPRESS Manicure Nails. imPRESS Nails is a press-on manicure system that already has the adhesive attached to the nail, so no glue is necessary. Initially, I was skeptical because, you know, press-on nails has had a bad rap maybe since the 90s, but desperate times calls for desperate measures. With each box, it comes with 30 nails, including 6 accents, like adorable accents. You may be able to get at least 1 wear, but you could also probably get 2, depending on the size of your nail. And I want to show you guys exactly how easy it is to apply. The first thing you want to do is remove all of your nails from the package. Go through the various sizes of your imPRESS nails to find the perfect one for your nail. If you are in between 2 sizes, choose the smaller size. After you select the correct size nail for each finger, lay them out in order. Wash hands with soap and water, dry well before using prep pad. Thoroughly cleanse nails, removing any soap, oil, or residue. Peel off clear backing to reveal adhesive. Align tab side with cuticle. You want to apply from your pinky to your thumb on both hands. imPRESS nails feature pressure-sensitive adhesive. The more you firmly press down, the stronger the adhesion will be, resulting in longer wear. I like to do it for about 10 seconds. I love this product. I can get nails that match my outfits. I don't have to stay committed to them, and it is affordable. To find more details about this, look in the description box. What do you think about press-on nails? Are they still played out to you? Let me know in the comment section. To find more dope DIYs, amazing recipes, and reviews, please visit avdoeswhat.com. And while you're doing that, don't forget, life is better when you do it yourself. Until next time, peace out.